Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Explorer. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we are tackling a topic that makes everyone's heart beat a little faster.
And I'm David. Let me guess, Sarah. Is it spiders or public speaking?
Good guesses, but no, it's that moment when you step off a train, look around, and realize, I have no idea where I am.
Ah, yes, the classic lost in the city syndrome. It's a mix of excitement and pure panic. But listeners, today is the day you stop being afraid. We are going to give you the exact sentences, the right tone, and the secret tips to navigate any English-speaking city like a local.
We have a massive episode today. We are going to cover how to stop a stranger on the street politely, the confusing world of train platforms and ticket types, how to handle a conversation with a taxi or Uber driver, and a deep dive into transport vocabulary so you don't get confused by terms like layover or shuttle.
This isn't just about grammar, guys. It's about confidence. Even if your English isn't perfect, your body language and tone can do 50% of the work.
Exactly. So whether you are planning a trip to London.
Okay, Sarah, let's start with the basics. You are on a sidewalk. You need a pharmacy. You see someone who looks like they live there. What's the move?
Most learners feel shy and just point at a map. But if you want to practice your English, you need the polite interruption.
I love that. Excuse me is the golden key, isn't it?
It is, but let's add some flavor to it. Instead of just, excuse me, try, excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm looking for. This shows you respect their time.
Let's do a long-form role play. I'm the confused tourist. You're the busy Londoner. Role play. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you, but do you have a quick second?
Sure, how can I help?
I'm trying to find the nearest pharmacy. My GPS is acting a bit strange.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you need to keep walking straight for about 5 minutes. When you hit the big intersection, that's where the main road is. Turn right.
Okay, straight for 5 minutes, then right at the intersection.
Exactly. You'll see a large blue sign for Boots Pharmacy right next to the supermarket.
Is it a long walk?
No, only about 400 meters.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Now, let's break that down. Listeners, did you hear how I confirmed the instructions? I repeated straight for 5 minutes, then right at the intersection.
That is crucial, David. If you didn't hear right or left clearly, this is your chance to fix it.
Also, let's talk about vocabulary. I said intersection. In some places, they might say crossroads or the lights, referring to traffic lights.
Good point. And if they say it's just around the corner, it means it's very close. If they say it's quite a hike, it means it's a long walk.
Now, let's go deeper into the station. This is where the real English happens. Buying tickets.
This is where words like fare, peak, and one way come in. David, why is the ticket counter so scary for learners?
Because it's loud. There are trains whistling, people shouting, and the person behind the glass speaks like a machine gun. Where you going, single or return? Next?
Exactly. So, tip number 1, speak clearly and slowly. You don't have to match their speed.
Let's look at ticket types. Single or one way. You are just going to the destination. Return or round trip. You are coming back. Day pass. You can use the transport all day for one price.
Let's role-play a complex one. I'm at a busy train station in New York. David is the clerk.
Role play. Start. Next, welcome to Penn Station. Where to?
Hi, I'd like a round-trip ticket to New Jersey, please.
Do you want the express or the local?
What's the difference in travel time?
The express gets you there in 20 minutes. The local takes 45, but it's $10 cheaper.
I'll go with the express. I'm in a bit of a hurry.
Standard or first class?
Standard is fine. Also, does this ticket include the bus transfer?
No, that's a separate fare. That'll be $35.
Thank you. Which track is it?
Track 12. Leaving in 5 minutes. You better run.
Thanks.
Whoa, Sarah, you almost missed the train. But did you hear that word, track? In the UK, they say platform, but in the US, they often say track.
And transfer, that's a big one. It means moving from one train or bus to another. Ask, is it a direct line or do I need to transfer?
Can't talk about transport without talking about taxis and Ubers.
This is actually a great place to practice small talk. You are in a car with one person for 15 minutes. Why not chat?
True, but first you have to get the basics right. You need to give the address. Don't just show your phone. Say it out loud.
Let's try a taxi conversation. David is the driver.
Good afternoon. Where to, miss?
Hi, I'm going to the Hilton Hotel on 5th Avenue, please.
5th Avenue. Got it. Do you want me to take the highway or the city streets? The highway has a toll.
Is the highway faster?
Usually, yeah. Saves about 10 minutes.
Okay, take the highway then.
No problem. Busy day today?
Oh, very. I'm here for a conference. Have you lived in this city long?
All my life. Best city in the world.
It's beautiful. By the way, do you accept credit cards or do I need cash?
Cards are fine, love. Small talk like, have you lived here long, or how is your day going, makes the ride much more pleasant. It also makes you feel like a user of English, not just a student.
And always ask about the toll, the fee for using a bridge or highway, and the tip. In the US, tipping your driver is expected.
Let's go to the biggest transport hub of all, the airport.
Airports have their own language: check-in, security, gate, boarding, baggage claim.
And the most confusing one for me, the layover.
Right. A layover is when you have to wait in an intermediate airport before your final flight.
Let's imagine you are at the information desk because your flight is delayed. This is a high-stress situation.
Excuse me, my flight to Paris was just marked as delayed on the screen.
Let me check. Yes, flight AF202. It's been pushed back by 3 hours due to weather.
3 hours? Oh no, will I miss my connecting flight in London?
It's possible. You should go to the airline's service desk. They might need to rebook you.
Where is the service desk?
Go past the duty-free shops and turn right at the food court.
Thank you. One more thing. Is there free Wi-Fi here so I can call my family?
Yes, just connect to Airport Free Guest. No password needed.
Rebook is a very important word there. It means getting a new ticket because something went wrong.
All right, we've covered a lot of ground. Let's slow down and look at the golden vocabulary from today's episode.
Good idea. Let's do a word and meaning session. I'll give the word, you give the definition.
Ready.
Word number 1, commute.
That's your daily journey from home to work and back. My morning commute is 40 minutes.
Word 2, fare.
That's the money you pay for a bus, train or taxi. The fare has gone up.
Word 3, mind the gap.
This is very British. You hear it in the London Underground. It means be careful of the space between the train and the platform.
Word 4, shuttle.
A shuttle is a bus or train that goes back and forth between 2 points, like from a hotel to the airport.
And finally, pedestrian.
A person who is walking on the street, not driving.
Beautiful. Listeners, if you remember even 5 of these words, your next trip will be 100% easier.
Sarah, we are almost at the end of our episode. Do you have any final secret tips for our listeners?
Yes, my biggest tip is use your phone as a backup, not a crutch. Maps are great, but try asking a human first. It builds your social English.
And mine is don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you say, "Where is train?" instead of, "Could you tell me where the train station is?" people will still understand you. Communication is about connection, not perfection.
Well said, David. Thank you all for joining us on this journey today.
We hope you feel ready to go out and explore the world. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave us a review.
In our next episode, we'll be talking about eating out, how to order food, and handle tricky menu descriptions.
Don't miss it. I'm David.
And I'm Sara.
Happy exploring.
Happy exploring.
Happy exploring.